This is a quick Wileyfox Spark X unboxing video. Comes in the same kind of packaging as the other Wileyfox phones, and it is the new £130 5.5-inch budget phone from Wileyfox, which is quite impressive considering the original Wileyfox Swift was only the same price. So let's open it up. Slides out. And you've got a protective cover and padding around the sides, and the phone itself. And the phone also comes with protective film already on the phone. Quite nice, sort of slightly curved edges around the sides of the phone. Makes it look quite premium. It's got a sort of orangey touch to that bit. And this sort of bronzy orangey type around here. Up and down buttons on the side, unlock button there, unlock / power button, the 13 megapixel camera, and it's got an 8 megapixel front camera. Let's have a look here, like USB. To get into the back, pull this, and then the plastic back comes off. As you can see, you've got two IMEI numbers. It's got two SIM slots, micro SD slot, made in China. And here, let's have a look what we've got. Cardboard, funky USB cable. Let's have a look at that. A flat USB cable and micro USB. Also got a small booklet telling you about the phone. Electricity. You don't get any earphones. You get a safety and warranty booklet. Yeah, quite a big battery. That's quite nice. Made in China as well. Let's open that. All comes in this soft touch plastic packaging. Wileyfox 3000 mAh battery. That's pretty good. Made in China. Wileyfox. Oh, even more paper. And other paper in different languages, which means maybe they're going to be selling in different countries other than just the UK. Right, let's put the battery in, switch it on, see what happens. Because it's a SIM-free phone, you can switch it on and use it, and you don't have to worry about, having a SIM in there. It still works. You can connect it to Wi-Fi. So, switch on, starting now. Let's see how long that takes. It's about 20 seconds now. Thirty seconds. Runs Cyanogen, which is a version of Android, and we're there. Welcome to Android. And I'll skip connecting to Wi-Fi. I'll skip adding a SIM. I'll go, yeah, sure, whatever. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. And start. And it should be there. Yep. Okay. It's quite responsive. It's got the, you know, A to Z style apps. Camera starts up quite quickly. Ooh. Takes photos quite quickly. Focuses on things that are quite close. Quite a few different settings. Cool. 13.4 megapixel camera. Let's see what else. Let's go to settings. See what it says about the phone. See how much memory you actually get left. Because it comes with 16 gig, but then you've also got the operating system, etc. Storage and USB. So we've got 11.31 gig left to be used. About phone. It's running Android version 6, 64% battery. Cyanogen OS 13, Dragonfruit 4. Build date July. It's quite nice. Kind of a sort of, I was saying the curved screen's a bit quite nice, but it's sort of, you've got a curved screen, then you've got another kind of black surround, and then you've got this chrome surround, so it's sort of a strange 3-step, and then if you also include the screen protector, it's not the best feeling really compared to, say, you know, premium Xperia XZ, which is a very nice curve to metal, but you know, this is probably 4 or 5 times more expensive, so can be forgiven. Now, size wise, not that different. 5.5 inch, and this Sony's got a 5.2 inch. And, let's turn the brightness all the way up and compare the screen to the Xperia XZ. They're obviously different, but no, the Sony's brighter, definitely, but for the price, the Wileyfox Spark is good.